I'm glad you come on.
Oh, so now you remember me, eh? After you fire me for mix the cement too thick. Max,
Me never fire you for that Max you drink on the job.
drink? Me an alcoholic, miss. Why you expect tax return? Look, Max, me sorry.
Look, Max, me sorry.
Me hear ya, but me raise me rate Hurricane Premium plus 2 rum up front.
2 rum Max. Me barely have zinc. Come.
Me can't build up, miss me build wall. Yep, them say every dog of him dear mind come with Hurricane Peer.
What?
Me just hope the government give you the chance to build back with one place, man. Give the Jamaican people the work.
For fix Jamaica.
Me hope the government remember say we can mix cement too, not just clap when them cut ribbon.